Second speak. The true meaning of martial law, society time, our senses, may be honored. It will be God who will see to cultivate our spirit of self-defense. We will observe the rules of courtesy, respect our superiors, refrain from violence. We will follow our gods and Buddha and never forget true virtue of humility. We will look upward to wisdom and strength, not seeking other desires. All our lives, for the discipline of karate, we will seek to fulfill the Kyokushin way. सुनिए, सब ये प्लेयर रिंग से बाहर होना चाहिए। उसके बाद ये लोग सब जूरी के टेबल पे आके सब लोग जूरी के टेबल पे एक टूर्नामेंट कैसे करना है, क्या करेंगे, कैसे जाना है, थोड़ा सा मीटिंग करेंगे। ये भी सब इधर प्लेयर सब आउट मारना है, देखिए।
Cricket udah tuh di sana.
Ya, si sana mau talor ini cara sampai ke sebelah. Ani saya online. Saya sudah mau makan itu.
Halo. Halo. Halo sih. Halo. This championship will feature both Kumar and Kata events for different age and weight. Kumar is the special competitions where opponents face each other in the ring. Late night yesterday.
Kalian minta ke semua baik. Just resmi ke pagi ini sampai atas. Resmi oh, ting contoh. खात थांफाय दे गारि फादे आं गो थाना हा बुकाना
I'd like to request for the felicitation Sensei Indra Sunar, Sensei Berit Sensei Vikram Dan to come in front. It will be felicitated one by one. I'd like to request again Sensei Indra Sunar, Sensei Berit Sensei Vikram Dan to come in front for the felicitation. The felicitation will be done by Sensei Sutta. Now the felicitation is done. Please give a big round of applause for them. Thank you so much, sir. Sensei Indra will be now felicitated by Sensei Sutta. Sensei Berit to please come in front and to be felicitated by Sensei Sutta. Please give a big round of applause for our Sensei Vikram. Thank you so much. Now the felicitation program is over. And now it will be the discussion.
Okay, the presentation is over. Now I would like to call upon all the referees and judges. Please come to the official table. We will be having a short discussion over the rules and regulations and how to run the tournament. After that, there will be non-allowed technique, allowed technique demonstration, and the event will start gradually. Thank you.
I repeat to the start announcement. Please all referees, please come to the jury table for the discussion of the rules and regulations of the subject or the debate.
I repeat, all the referees and judges, please come to the official table. We will be having short discussion regarding rules and regulations and how to run the event. Please do not make any delay. Please come.
I would like to repeat, sir announcement again. मैं किसी टिकट करना चाहूँगा. सभी रेफरी एंड जजेस प्लीज आ जाए जूरी टेबल के पास. सभी रेफरी एंड जजेस please be on the jury table. All referee and judges please be on the jury table for the discussion of the rules and regulations and how to manage the event. Hello.
Shyam Premnath, Shyam Govind, Sensei Dilshad, Sensei Indra, Sensei Biplab Kumar Shalkar, Sensei Miguru, Sensei Ratnadev Paul, Sensei Obidin Singh, Sensei Ramraj Singh, Sensei Gopal Krishna, Sensei Prashanna.
सपोज कोई इंटेंशनली भूलने मारते इंटेंशनली भूलने मारते वो सीवियर हो गया तो उसको एकदम जगह तक उसको चुकी गंदगी मिला बाद में जाके फाइट इवन हुआ कि नहीं हुआ वो कंसिडर नहीं है जो जिसको गंदगी मिला है वो इंटरनेशनली